12-year-old Caitlin Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop. Just listen to her. The schoolgirl who lives outside Houston sneezes 12,000 times a day. Sometimes the 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
The only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Caitlin listens to music, specifically the Beatles.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
For now, it's a medical mystery. Doctors have ruled out allergies or a virus. Until they figure it out, Caitlin can't go to school. We've seen this phenomenon before. Remember this teenager who couldn't stop sneezing? Even at her prom, some kids laughed at her. This teenager also suffered from serial sneezing. This is Lauren Johnson today. Turns out she had a rare tic similar to obsessive-compulsive behavior that apparently started with a strep throat infection. Lauren has this advice for Caitlin.
I tell her just to keep going, don't let people get her down.
I don't care what they do, I just want it to stop. It's been going on for way too